Hey everyone, welcome back. So, in the midst of a global pandemic caused by C-19 and a civilian outrage fueled by racial divide in the United States, there's a glimmer of hope for humanity in the world of space. So, I have with me a small crew here. We're going to just highlight a few points from the launch that was carried out by SpaceX last week. So, what SpaceX has done last weekend was truly remarkable in the world of space, and it has opened up a new chapter in terms of exploration. In the center of all that is Elon Musk, who continues to inspire millions of people, pushing the boundaries of innovation. And I think it's time for us to reflect and appreciate the genius minds behind this colossal achievement. So, Shauri, help me understand what happened in the world of space last weekend.
So on last Saturday, May 30th, 2020, SpaceX Falcon 9 launched a rocket called the Crew Dragon, which was launched from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. So the next day, the Crew Dragon autonomously docked at the International Space Station. So during the launch, there were two astronauts who boarded the spacecraft, Doug Hurley and Bob Behnken. So Falcon 9's reusable rocket was safely returned back to America, and it landed on a floating dock in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean.
Oh, that's great. Talk about the mission timelines, please. Like, how long did it take from takeoff to docking at the International Space Station?
So after a 19-hour trip, both of the astronauts, Bob and Doug, have successfully docked their capsules and they entered the space station. So during his live broadcast from space, Bob Behnken has confirmed that during the 19-hour journey, him and Doug got around 7 hours of sleep. So when they reached the International Space Station, they were welcomed with hugs and handshakes by the other three astronauts who were already boarded there.
Awesome. Thank you, Shori. So let's switch over to Madhura. Madhura, can you tell us a little bit more about this mission?
So, Demo 2 is the final major test for human spaceflight system by SpaceX, which is for crew missions to and from the International Space Station. Now, SpaceX is returning human spaceflight to the United States with one of the safest and most advanced systems ever built. Now, NASA's Commercial Crew Program has marked a turning point in space exploration and lays the groundwork for future missions to the moon, Mars, and beyond.
Cool, that's awesome. So, just out of curiosity, a little bit more specifics in terms of the speed at which this was traveling or the weight it was carrying, those details, please.
Falcon 9 has a total mass of more than 500,000 kilograms with 22,000 kilograms of payload weight at lower Earth orbit. Now, after the blast off, the spacecraft hits about 17,500 miles per hour speed around the Earth's orbit before it finally docks itself at the ISS. Now, the most interesting part is the re-landing. So, when it comes to this, roughly about 9 minutes after the liftoff, the Falcon 9 first stage has made a pinpoint landing on the SpaceX drone ship, which was stationed about 100 miles off the coast of Florida.
Excellent. Thank you, kiddos. That was very helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed this small learning segment. Here is a small clip that demonstrates the launch and then the re-landing of Falcon 9. Have fun. Thanks in advance for watching. Bye now.